Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then open your Play Store. Now click on More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you will find all applications that can be updated. And you can pick either one particular application, for example Google Chrome, fast and secure, just click on Update right here, and now this application will be updated. You can smoothly observe this progress right here, so at first it will be downloaded and then this latest version will be installed. Meanwhile, you can use your phone in a normal way, so you can search the browser, call your friend, or watch some movie, just do whatever you want to. And then if you will open the Play Store again, you will see if it's already finished or not. As you can see, we've got 94%, so just a couple of seconds more. And that's it. Now you can find it under Recently Updated, right here. But you can also update all applications just with one click. To do it, click on Update All, and all apps would be updated. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.